warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Anggita Aulia Zara and my lesson number is 091. So in this video, I want to share the result from my listening from the BBC Learning English. The title is Should We Eat Less Rice? And then the summary of this content, this material discusses the reason why we should consider eating less rice. I realize how important rice is for our lives. I think it's stable because it is easy to prepare health and quickly fills you up. This video also tells us that eco-friendly is one of the effective alternative technique used for wet drying or AWD for short. This is created by Jean-Philippe Laborde as the director of the rice company. She said that normal people planting rice requires 25 cycle of water, but with this eco-friendly technique, that is only 20 cycles water, so that with this can reduce the occurrence of water was that can have an important on the environment side. Rice production produce methane gas which contribute to climate change. And then while another impact of the rice is in terms of health. Rice contains high carbohydrates which when consumed in extensive can have an adverse impact on our body. I hope that the eco-friendly technique can help more farmers and we can have enough rice for everyone. Because I think this topic is very close to my life, to our life, which is rice is a staple food. Number 2 is there is transcript. For the last is that the duration video is too short. And then why I do to listen is that the first one pre-listening. When pre-listening, I prepare notes to record the new vocab, and then while listening, I focus in the main idea and important information, and then in the post-listening, I go to the video transcript to match my notes and information in the meaning of the word I found during the listening. And then guys, these materials is also very relevant in my life as I consume rice almost every single day. After listening to this material, I become more aware of the impact of rice consumption not only on health, but also on the environment. I have started to consider reducing my portion of rice and trying other healthier sources of carbohydrates. And then how listen to reduce helps me with extensive listening by frequently listening to resources such as BBC Learning English. I feel that my listening skill have improved. I'm used of hearing native speakers speak in different accent and at different speed. This helps me understand sentence structure, new vocab, and language use in natural context. The problems when listening and how strategic to overcome them is that I don't understand new word and the speed at which speakers speak. To overcome this, I usually re-listen several items, use subtitle or transcript if available, and text note and look up the meaning of the word after listening. And I also try to choose topics that interest me to stay motivated and not get bored quickly while studying. So guys, I think that's all enough for me, and thank you so much for your attention. Bye bye.